Equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. Okay. In order you have to learn. आपको ये equations order में learn करनी है. What are the equations? See that v equal to u plus at. This is first equation. ये आपको as such learn होनी चाहिए. When you will have a lot of practice, ये learn हो जाएंगी and then you will be able to do numericals also. What is v? Final velocity. What is u? Initial velocity. A is acceleration. T is time. U as initial velocity, A as acceleration, and T as time. Yes, Lisa, what do you want to say? So this is our first equation, V equal to U plus AT. Okay, V equal to U plus AT, that is our first equation of motion. So note down, this is your first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT. Second equation is this is your second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. Second equation is S equal to ut plus half at square, where what is S? S is displacement. I told you S symbol हम किसके लिए use करते हैं? Displacement के लिए. Again, U is initial velocity, T is time, A is acceleration, right? Then third equation is v square minus u square equal to 2as. This is third equation, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Clear? So these are three equations. Slowly you will be able to learn. Now we are going to prove these equations. ये proof आपको as such paper में आ सकते हैं. That prove first equation of motion, prove second equation. तो उसके लिए you must know which is the equation of motion. Okay, so let us prove first equation by simple method. Okay, write the question. Derive first equation of motion by simple method. So first of all, we'll be proving all the three equations by simple method. So simple method. By definition of acceleration, you know, acceleration is change in velocity over time. आपको पता है ना ये फॉर्मूला हमने किया था when we defined acceleration, that acceleration is change in velocity over time. It is final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So we start from the formula of acceleration only. Now see the next step very carefully. Cross multiply. ये t इधर आ जाएगा, देखिए ध्यान से. at equal to v minus u. Is this step clear? किसी को डाउट है इसमें? Yes. Okay. Now left hand side इधर, right hand side उधर लिख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So v minus u equal to at. Now we will take minus u on that side. On that side it will become plus u. So we have v equal to u plus at. We take minus u that side, it becomes v equal to u plus at. So this is the proof. So how simple is the proof of first equation? Is that clear to you, students? Note it down. This is the proof of first equation of motion. Now we are going to derive second equation of motion. Before that, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. Yes, बच्चे बोलिए, कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? All mathematical steps are clear to you? Yes, धैर्य.
मैम वॉइस बीच में फिर से कट रही है, मतलब आवाज कम हो रही है जब अब भी.
Now we are going to prove second equation by simple method, S equal to UT plus half AD square. Proof of second equation. Proof of second equation. Second equation is S equal to UT plus half AD square. So we will start it from average velocity. क्या formula था average velocity का? Total displacement over total time. So let us start from there. Average velocity is total displacement over total time, right? तो उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? F over T. Displacement is S, time is T. And one more formula of average velocity I told you, if you remember. याद है किसी को? I told you one more formula of average velocity. Who can tell me? Yes, who will tell me formula of average velocity? Yes, Titiksha.
Ma'am, V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2.
That was beta average speed. Average velocity का किया था हमने u plus v over 2. That was u plus v divided by 2. ठीक है? दोनों हमने लिख दिए हमने एवरेज वेलोसिटी के. Now we will take t on that side. देखिए ध्यान से, t we will take on that side. Say this is equation number 1. Let us call it equation number 1. Now always when we will derive second equation, we will use first equation. So let's use first equation and put v equal to u plus at here. यहाँ v है ना? Here we will put u plus at. Put v equal to u plus at. यहाँ पे v plus u plus at लिखना है, बाकी सब ऐसे ही रहेगा. See this step carefully. S equal to u plus, ठीक है, over 2. In place of this v, I'll put u plus at. ध्यान से देखिए, ये v के प्लेस में I am putting u plus at. Rest of everything remains the same. See if this step is clear. क्या किया? u, t, 2 everything is same. सिर्फ v के प्लेस में हमने पुट किया u plus at. Is this step clear? Now u plus u is 2u. U plus u is 2u plus at t by 2. सिर्फ हमने u और u को ऐड किया 2u. Now we'll open the bracket. We have just opened the bracket. बाहर जो t था उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. 2ut plus at into t is at square. Is this step okay? Now we will separate the base like you do in mathematics. Separate base. दो टर्म्स थी, दोनों को सेपरेट आउट कर लिया. We have written 2 under both the terms. gets cancelled, यहाँ 2 cancel हो गया, right? So we are left with ut plus, ये जो over 2 है इसको 1/2 लिख सकते हैं अलग से. Does math allow us to do this? ये जो over 2 है इसको 1/2 लिख सकते हैं और at square को अलग से लिख सकते हैं. So half at square. This is the proof of second equation. This is second step. Is that okay? Students, last topic, let us finish the third equation of motion. Proof of third equation also by simple method. Add it लीजिए. Proof of third equation of motion. Which is the equation? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So let's do that. Beginning बिल्कुल same है. ठीक है? ठीक है? यहां तक सेम है. All the steps are exactly the same. यहां तक लिख लीजिए पहले. ठीक है? If you notice, जो आपकी थर्ड इक्वेशन है उसमें t नहीं है. V square minus U square equal to 2AS में t नहीं है, तो we will eliminate this t. We will substitute for this t using the formula of acceleration that I am writing on right hand side. Reason दे दो because a v minus u over t, ये acceleration का formula होता है ना. Bring t here and a here. T will be v minus u over a. So we will put t here equal to v minus u over a because in third equation of motion t is not there. थर्ड इक्वेशन में t नहीं है तो हमें इसको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. So put t equal to this here. तो लिखिए put so what does equation 1 become? I have written as such. t को मैंने क्या पुट किया? v minus u over a. Got this? चलिए बाकी का मैं आपको, इसको अब आप सॉल्व कर लीजिए, आपकी थर्ड इक्वेशन आ जाएगी. Whenever I will have period, I will tell you. ठीक है? चलिए स्टूडेंट्स